English speaking practice, it is very important for us. So how you speak, what is your communication skill, it really matters in our life. It can be any language, it does not matter, but how do you communicate with others, it is very important. And English is a global language, and I think it is an opportunity for us to explore the world and to make a conversation with any person. I really like this language, and especially when I speak this language, I feel an inner confidence within me, and it gives me certain or an instant confidence, and it push me towards that. Yes, you have the capability, and you should work on it, and you should follow your passion. It gives me the wings to fly to our goals, to my goals. So it is really very important for me, and I really work on it to have these communication skills, especially in English. So I am from a Bengali background, and I am Shopna. I live in West Bengal, so it is very hard for me to learn a new skill or new language from this environment where everyone is used to with Bengali. But I took a challenge that yes, I have to know this language because it is our official language, and whenever you go, you have to learn it. Without it, you can find out that nothing is possible. So it really helps me, and that's why I take this challenge every day to improve my English. And I am doing it. I know, and my dream is to be a fluent speaker. I don't know how long it will take to be, but I am doing my best, and I know when we do something with our best, it could be the right process to approach our goal or to dream. And now I'm walking, and you can see, guys, this is a place where I sit every day and try to make a beautiful world around me. And this is the place where I sit and imagine what is ahead of me. I don't care what people think about me, what they say about me. It is really very important for me that what I am thinking about me in my head and what is my purposes, because I have a big dream. I want to achieve it by anyhow, and I am doing the thing what is right for me. No one can stop me, and nothing can stop me. It is certain. I'm doing, and then the rest is depending on my faith or my luck, what they have included. So I am not going so far, but I am doing my part, and I am very hopeful that if I can continue it one day, it will give me the best thing. And I am really very much optimistic about it. And I'm not only optimistic but also a hard worker. I'm doing, I will do, and I will achieve. And that is my mantra. The best mantra that is ahead of me is to work on whatever I have dreamed about. Okay, so I am a Bengali. Bengali is my native language. So what? It is my native language. But if I have a mind to go further, then it cannot be a barrier. So I am a barrier breaker. I don't believe in barrier. And no one can make this barrier around me. And I am pretty much eager to break this barrier. I don't know how long or how difficult barrier or hard barrier I can break, but I really enjoy when I break any barrier around me, and that is my biggest desire, you can say. And I am very much confident right now, you can say that I am speaking English, and if I make any mistake, then mercy me. But I'm trying, I will try. Some people can praise me, or some people can make an excuses about me, but I don't care about it. But I have to improve, and I have to go ahead and to explore what I have ahead of me. So what the God had placed before me to discover. So I am really doing on it. So thank you, first of all, you guys, and I am doing it with my best. And this is the first time I am doing this kind of video. So I am very much optimistic that you will support me, and I will go far and far away. It is my biggest dream, you can say. Every day, I will try to make this kind of English video so that I can improve my English speaking, and also to motivate you, and also to teach you something valuable that I learned from my own experiences.